AI video just leveled up big time. Here's how to create 30-second clips with audio using Seedance 2.5.
Never stop the pass.
Today we are testing the new Seedance 2.5. You can access it through the Dreamina platform or through CapCut. It's limited in some locations, but I was able to access it. As you can see, it makes 30 seconds videos now. I'm gonna try some prompts with complex physics and changing of the scenery and see how it performs. So here is the first prompt I'm gonna use. You can pause the video and see the prompt.
Never stop the pass.
As you can see, only the way he threw the ball in the air backwards was kinda messy. Other than that, it worked pretty well. Here is our second prompt. Character stays consistent for the 30-second duration of the video. Only the way he enters through that window is kinda messy. Other than that, we have a great 30-second video with a consistent character. For this third example, there is a crystal that basically explodes and travels through time. As you can see, the physics look very good and the audio on all the three videos that were made looks way better than the audio Seedance 2.0 made. So this is an improvement for sure. Gonna make a lot more videos on Seedance 2.5. This is just like a first hands on preview on what is capable of, and mainly testing the 30-second option, because before that Seedance was able to generate only 15 seconds of video. So this is pretty game changing for AI video creation and AI filmmakers. I'm gonna do a comparison video on how it compares to the 2.0 version and also to other video generators like Kling and Google's Omni, and see which is the best one.